Baby corn is tender and crunchy at the same time. It is delicious sautéed with chicken and other seasonal vegetables. Start by dipping 10 grams of black fungus for 1 hour. At first, to cut slices of chicken breast, lean the knife. Then, in the thicker and larger part, continue by holding the knife blade straight. Put the chicken slices in a mixing bowl. Add a good pinch of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of housing wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Mix all together and let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 200 grams of baby corn into chunks. Remove the food from the black fungus. Cut them into chunks. Remove the ware of 50 grams of mange-tout. Cut an onion into chunks. Cut 5 grams of cilantro into sections. Chop a garlic clove. Grate a piece of ginger. Keep 1 teaspoon. Blanch the baby corn for 2 minutes. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the ginger and the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the chicken pieces. Spread them well and let brown for 30 seconds. Flip them and leave another 30 seconds. Briefly stir, then add the baby corn, the black fungus, the mange-tout, the onion, one tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, two tablespoons of water. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of seasoning oil. Briefly stir. Put the cilantro, keep a few to decorate. Briefly stir and cut the file. Serve them with a bowl of 3 rice mix. Bon appétit! The baby corn remains crunchy after cooking. This balanced dish brings out the freshness of vegetables. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.